Hi everybody, welcome back to another bnotes tutorial. We are inside the bnotes community workspace. So I have renamed some of these channels. You'll see that people are getting invites to the Knowledge Hub. And so inside the Knowledge Hub, we're going to have a repository of information and knowledge that I can share with all of you about the bnotes ecosystem and ultimately questions and discussions that we're having with bnotes users like you. So let's go ahead and take a look at this note that I just created, rich filter and search functionality. I want you to get the most out of your bnotes experience. So what I'm going to do here is demonstrate how this works. And I'm going to add a tag called tutorial. Update that. It is already published inside of this channel. So what I want to do now is filter by tag and then search. So one of these notes has the word long form in it, and you'll notice that we are indexing all of the content. So you'll see long form is in this note. It appears a couple different times. So it's a very simple and powerful way to filter through thousands, millions of notes and docs. So I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, always feel free to email me at hello@bnotes.co, or if you would like an invite to the bnotes community, just drop me an email with your bnotes email address and I will add you as a member. Thank you.